Yes, students, let us solve some examples to understand least common multiple in a better way. Question is, find the LCM of the following numbers using prime factorization. Part A, 56, 196. These are the numbers. Yes, students, to find out the LCM of these numbers, we need to follow simple steps. Yes, students. Step number 1. Step number 1. Divide the numbers by the smallest prime numbers which divides at least one of the number. Okay. So, here numbers are 56 and 196. Both numbers are even numbers. Okay. So, they can divided by the even prime number. Okay. Which is 2. Yes. Now look at here. 2 is the only even prime number. 2 is the only even prime number. Okay. So here we divided by 2 because 2 is the prime number and we only divided by the prime numbers. Yes. Two. Yes, students. 2 2s are 4 and 2 8s are 16. 2 2s are 4, 1 carry, 2 8s are 16. Okay. Now 2 9s are 18 and 2 1 carry, 2 8s are 16. Yes, again 28 and 98. Both numbers are even numbers. Okay. So, step number 1, divide the numbers by smallest prime number which divides at least one of the numbers. ठीक है, एक नंबर को ज़रूर डिवाइड होना होता है प्राइम फैक्टर, जो भी हम प्राइम फैक्टर सेलेक्ट करते हैं. बट हेयर 2, 28 and 98 both are divisible by 2. So 2 ones are 2 and 2 fours are 8. Okay. Yes. Here 2 fours are 8 and 1 carry, 2 nines are 18. So again yes students, here again divide the numbers by the smallest prime number which divides at least one of the numbers. अब देखिए हमारे पास 2 नंबर्स हैं 14 and 49. ठीक है, हमने लीस्ट प्राइम नंबर सेलेक्ट करना है जो कि इनमें से इन नंबर्स में से किसी एक नंबर को ज़रूर डिवाइड करेगा. ओके. अब ये देखिए 2 7s are 2 7s are 14. अब देखिए here 49, 14 is divisible by 2. It's okay. But 49 is not divisible by 2. 49 is not divisible by 2. So here we mention this point in the note, any number that is not divisible by a prime factor, any number that is not divisible by a prime factor is brought down as it is. Okay. Again, any number that is not divisible by a prime factor is brought down as it is. जो नंबर डिवाइड नहीं कर रहा होगा, ठीक है, जैसे 49 2 से डिवाइड नहीं होगा, उसको हम कैसे लिखेंगे? एज इट इज लिख देंगे. इट्स मीन वी राइट 49 as it is. Okay. 49. Again We have 7 and 49. 7 and 49. So 7 and 49. We know that 7 and 49 is divisible by 7. Okay. Now 7 ones are 7 and 7 sevens are 49. Okay. Again, step number 2. Continue. Continue dividing the quotients by least prime factors till you get 1 as the quotient for all the numbers. Okay. This point, continue dividing the quotients by least prime factors till you as the quotient for 1 as the quotient for all the members. ठीक है? Okay, these are called, yes student, these are called quotients. ठीक है? हमने जब तक इनको डिवाइड करना है, जब तक सब क्वेश्चंस क्या ना हो जाए 1. ठीक है? till we get 1 as the quotient for all the numbers. ठीक है? Okay, here we get one quotient. 7 ones are 7. ठीक है? But 7 is remaining, so again we divided by 7. 7 ones are, ठीक है? Here 1 as it is. Now 7 ones are 7. ठीक है? Now again, step number 2. Continue dividing the quotients by least prime factors till we get as the quotient 1 as the quotient for all the numbers. 1 as the quotient for all the numbers. ठीक है? हमने अपने क्वेश्चन को जब तक कंटिन्यू रखा, जब तक हमारे पास 1 एज अ क्वेश्चन, ठीक है, ऑल द नंबर्स का क्वेश्चन हमारे पास क्या नहीं आ गया? 1. यस क्लास. नाउ हियर स्टेप नंबर 3. द प्रोडक्ट. Step number 3. The product of the prime factors of the number give the LCM. ठीक है? जब हम इन नंबर्स को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, प्रोडक्ट मीन्स मल्टीप्लाई, हम इन प्राइम फैक्टर्स को, ये देखिए, दीज आर ऑल प्राइम नंबर्स, प्राइम फैक्टर्स, हम इनको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. When we multiply all the prime factors, we get LCM. Now here, LCM of 56 and 196. LCM of 56 and 196 is equal to 2. How many 2's? There are 3 2's, so 2 multiplied by 2, 2 multiplied by 2. Okay, 2 multiplied by 2, 2 multiplied by 2. Okay, and then 7 multiplied by 7, 2 multiplied by 2, multiplied by 2, multiplied by 2, 3 times 2, and 2 times 7, 7 multiplied by 7. Yes students. Okay, now 2 2's are 4, 4 2's are 8, 2 2's are 4, 4 2's are 8, 8 multiplied by 7, multiplied by 7. Okay, our answer is 392. LCM of 392. LCM of 56 and 196. LCM of 56 and 196 is 392. 392. 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 8 multiply by 7. G. 8 multiply by 7 is equal to 56, and when 56 is multiplied by 7, our answer is 392. ठीक है, ये मल्टीप्लिकेशन आप शो कीजिएगा. ठीक है, ये देखिए 8 7 2 2 ज़ा 4 4 8 4 2 ज़ा 8 8 7 ज़ा 56. यहाँ तक तो सबको आते होंगे टेबल्स. ठीक है, ओके. यहाँ पे आप साइड पे कॉलम बनाइएगा, उसको आपने यही रफर कह दें चाहे. यहाँ आप शो कीजिएगा कि 56 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 7. जी 5 7 ज़ा 35 35 प्लस 4 39. ठीक है बेटा, ये वर्किंग शो करेंगे आप अपनी नोटबुक में जहाँ आप क्वेश्चन कर रहे होंगे. आप यहाँ पर एक कॉपी के साइड पे आप इस तरीके से कॉलम बना दीजिए. सो आवर आंसर इज 392 एंड वी राइट हियर सॉल्ट. When we start a question, we write solution. Okay, yeah. Solution, and when we finish the question, complete the question, we write solved here. Yes students, ये हमने क्वेश्चंस किए विद स्टेप्स. मैंने आपको एक एक स्टेप बताया कि किस तरीके से हमने स्टेप बाय स्टेप काम किया है, स्टेप रीड करके. अब नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन में हम डायरेक्ट करेंगे. कीप दिस स्टेप्स इन योर माइंड एंड देन सॉल्व द क्वेश्चन. हियर our question is 15, 42 and 125. Okay, here we have only one even number, so we divide it by the even prime number. Even prime number, yes, you already know that we have only one even prime number, which is 2. So here we divide it by 2. Yes, 2. Okay, now again read this note. Any number that is not divisible by a prime factor is brought down as it is. Okay, अब देखिए हम 2 से डिवाइड कर रहे हैं. 242 is only divisible by 2, but 15 and 125 is not divisible by 2. Okay, so here we write 15 and 125 as it is. Only divided 42 divided by 2. So 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. And we write 125 as it is. Okay. Here we have no even number, so we do not divide it by 2. So here 15 and 21. 15 and 21. Yes, both numbers are divided by 3. So here we divided by 3. 3 5s are 15 and 3 7s are 21. And we write 125 as it is. Yes students, here we have 5 7 and 125. Okay, so here which is the least prime number which is divided by any number. Okay, we select any prime number, one prime number which is divided by a 5 or 7 or 125. इसमें से किसी एक को भी वो लीस्ट नंबर अगर डिवाइड करेगा प्राइम नंबर तो हम उससे डिवाइड करेंगे. बट हियर वी डिवाइडेड बाय 5 बिकॉज 5 and 125 both numbers are divisible by 5. So 5 ones are 5. We write 7 as it is because 7 is not divided by 5, and 125 is divisible by 5. So 5 twos are 10 to carry, and 5 fives are 25. Again we divided by 5. 1, 7 as it is, and 5 fives are 25. Yes students, again we divided by 5. देखिए यहाँ 7 से भी हो सकता है, 5 से भी हो सकता है डिवाइड. ठीक है, 7 के टेबल में 7 आएगा एंड 5 के टेबल में 5, बट we divided by least prime number. So 5 is the least prime number as compared to the 7. So here we divided by 5. First we divided by 5. Then 1. Here we write 7 as it is, and 5 ones are 5. Now again step number 2. Continue division the quotient by least prime factors till you get 1 as the quotient for all the numbers. ठीक है, हम जब तक इस प्रोसेस को कंटिन्यू रखेंगे जब तक हमारे पास क्वोशंट में ऑल द नंबर्स, तमाम नंबर्स का क्वोशंट क्या नहीं आ जाए, 1. सो हियर अगेन हियर वी डिवाइडेड बाय 7. ओके, सो we write 1 as it is. 7 ones are 7 and 1. Okay, now step number 3. The product of the prime factors. The product of the prime factors of the numbers give the LCM. Now where are the prime factors? These are the, all these are the prime factors. Okay, so here we write yes, here we write 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 5 multiply by 5 and multiply by again 5 multiply by 7. Okay, 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 5 multiply by 5 multiply by 5 multiply by 7. These numbers, yes, ये देखिए यहाँ से चेक कीजिए. ठीक है, हमने ये सारे नंबर्स लिखे हैं यहाँ पर एलसीएम फाइंड आउट करने के लिए. ओके, दीज आर द प्राइम फैक्टर्स. नाउ मल्टीप्लाई दीज प्राइम फैक्टर्स. यस, 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30, and 30 multiplied by 5 is equal to 150. 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30, 35s are 150. Again multiply by 5 is equal to 750, and multiply by 7 is equal to 5250. 5250. दिस इज़ योर आंसर. ओके, आप आंसर्स को इस तरह से करेंगे और नीचे सॉल्व्ड. अगेन आपको मैं एक बात बता दूं, आपने जहाँ तक आपको टेबल्स आ रहे हैं ठीक है, 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30, 35s are 150. ठीक है, अगर आपने 30 नाउ 35s यहाँ पर आप मल्टीप्लाई करके शो करें 5050. ठीक है, 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30 and 35s are 150, एंड देन 150 को अगेन आप 5 से मल्टीप्लाई कर लें. 500, 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5, plus 2, 7, 50. Now again multiply by, here we multiply by 7. When any number is multiplied by 0, then we get 0. 7 5s are 35. 3 carry. 7 7s are 49. Plus 3, 50, 51, 52. ओके, आपने इस तरीके से मल्टीप्लाई करके साइड पे शो करना है. ठीक है, आप चाहे इस कॉलम को नोट कह दें, रफ वर्क कह दें, लेकिन इस तरीके से आपने अपनी वर्किंग शो करनी है. ठीक है स्टूडेंट्स. यस स्टूडेंट्स, I hope all of you understood the topic of LCM. So watch this video 2 to 3 times and solve the questions of LCM in your rough notebook. Do practice of these questions and the topic of LCM and the sums of LCM of page number 20. Solve these questions in your rough notebook. Okay. Wish you best of luck. Allah Hafiz.